Welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will learn about how to create PDF block templates using PDF block generator. Let's talk about key features and benefits. It helps you to create blocks automatically in a PDF block file. It helps you to reduce your work by 50% to create PDF blocks. The generated blocks will be created with applied TET, that is X and Y coordinates. Let's have a look into the admin. So first of all, we need to go to the block generator URL. Just click on PDF block generator button, click on upload file and upload a sample file over here. So as you can see, all the block names which is in the file, you can see over here. So first of all, you can see the block name and here you can change the title as you want. Suppose we are taking name and here there is a button to include this block into the file or not. So suppose if you want to include this block into the file, you can enable this button, else you can disable it. And then we have combined text flow. So suppose if you have various blocks into the file like name, title, email, website, then you can separately create the blocks into the file. So to create the separate blocks, we need to disable this button, and similarly, we can create another blocks using the same disabling process. So if you enable it, it will keep taking the text flow. So this is for the second page, it will take the block name automatically. So now click on generate button. So our file is generated, and when we open it into the Adobe Acrobat, here we can see our generated PDF block file. So as you can see, the blocks are generated automatically. Only you need to adjust the length of the block, or you can say the width of the block. So now when we select the block and when we click on properties, here we can see the coordinates of the block. So this you can verify it by using TET plugin. So to check that, you have to go to the plugins, click on PDFlib TET plugin, go to top down coordinate system, check this option for output coordinates in TETML and select TET tool. So after selecting the text, you have to select TET copy and then you can paste the code into the Word file, and you have to find the initial name of the text you have selected, and just above that you will see the coordinates in this format, which you have to convert into this format with a single space between each coordinate. After copy this, select PDF block tool, go to block property, and here you can replace the coordinate with this one and click on apply. So here you can see it's adjusted and it is similar to the coordinates generated by the PDF block generator. So in this way, you can verify other blocks as well and verify the TET whether the coordinates are correct or not. So in this way, you can create your PDF block files using PDF block generator. Thank you for watching this video. In case of any further query, feel free to connect with us.